Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And so for you guys who know me, I like to try different carriers every now and then just to kind of tell you guys the experience that you guys may have through my experiences. And in this video, I'm letting you guys know that I decided to try Visible Wireless. Visible basically runs on Verizon's 4G LTE network. And so the point of Visible basically is like, yes, it is prepaid MVNO, but it's a phone service through an app that doesn't force you to use the app for messaging or calling like those other guys. So Visible basically easy to set up, and if you bring your own device, you're greeted with this little package here that has your welcome kit basically. And it's very small and dainty, but it's pretty cool, and I do love the emoticons on the box itself. And yeah, it's just, this is it. This is what you get. You have a pull down tab, and in that pull down tab has your SIM in various different sizes you can punch out, and your SIM ejector tool to help you get your SIM card into your device. Also, you have a little synopsis on how to set up. So, you know, they walk you through it step by step. Very easy. So once you put your SIM into your phone, you want to download the Visible app. Now with this application, like I said, you don't have to have calls or texts go through it. They're not like those other guys that do that. But basically this is where you would control your account, create your account, and you could do various things from it. Like once you have your account set up, you can share a referral code, get $20 for yourself and $20 for someone that you refer, connect to their sites. You could also shop for your own device on here if you want to. Say you want to grab a different device, you can get them here too. And they got all kinds of various different Apple devices as well as Android, and there's also some really good deals on some pre-owned ones as well. So you definitely want to check those out. Currently, right now, you can trade in a device and get the Visible R2 for free, or you can just buy it for $99. This device is made by ZTE, and it's gotten some really good reviews, so definitely check that out. Right now, they are currently running a promotion that if you do switch your number over, you get a virtual $200 prepaid MasterCard just for switching over. Definitely head to the website to check out the details on that. But all in all, $40 a month, not bad at all for unlimited talk, text, and data. Yes, you may experience some slowdowns if the network is congested in your area, but they do not throttle at all. So you can use as much internet as you want, and you'd be good to go. All that for 40 bucks a month. So over the next month, I'm going to be giving you guys videos here and there about my experiences with Visible, the good, the caveats, you'll get it all. And yeah, so if you guys enjoy this quick little video synopsis, drop a like to let me know. Hit that subscribe button if you're new to the channel. Bell option as well to know when I upload a video. And yeah, I'm excited for this adventure. So as always, everybody, thanks for watching, and aloha.